Okay, multiplying and dividing integers. If I have 3 times 3, now remember there is a little imaginary plus sign out there, so it's a positive number multiplied by a positive number. 3 times 3, well, you know that would be 9. Remember there's a little positive 9. Then there's this one that's got 3 times negative 3. Remember there's a little positive out there that's not always written, so it's a positive number times a negative number. When you've got a positive number and a negative number, they're going to make a negative number. You can think along the terms of, I was going to say, like somebody who's unhappy here and somebody who's happy. Generally, the person who's happy is probably going to be brought down if the person's really unhappy, but then I thought that didn't work so much, so it doesn't really matter. We've got positive 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. So a positive times a negative is going to give you a negative. If you have a negative number times 3, now remember there's a little plus that you can't see there. Negative number times a positive number, so that's back to this. It's no different to this, positive and negative. It's going to be negative 9. The catch comes in when you've got a negative times a negative times a negative, it's going to give you a positive. Don't ask questions, that's just the way it is. So negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. The same rules apply for division as well. So if you've got a plus and a minus, it's going to give you a minus. If you've got a plus and a plus, it's going to give you a plus. You got a negative and a negative, it's going to give you a plus as well. So it's kind of fair, I guess. You got 2 of these because you can also have a negative, oops, a daisy. You can also have a negative and a positive, and that's going to give you a negative. So it's kind of fair. There's 2 here giving you a negative, and there's 2 there giving you a positive. 12 divided by 3, little pluses out there, so they're both positive numbers. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 12, little plus out there, divided by negative 3, so you've got a positive number and a negative number. That's going to give you a negative number. Negative 12 divided by 3, remember there's a little plus out there that you can't see. Negative 12 divided by a positive 3, so you've got a positive and a negative, it's going to give you a negative. And then you've got negative 12 divided by negative 3, negative and negative gives you a positive. So there we go. There's a little plus. Just remember that. Okay, hopefully it helps you with multiplying and dividing.